Hey guys, my name is Schlatt. Today I'm going to talk to you about something different today, and that different topic is physics. Specifically, a certain type of problem in physics known as a suicide problem, and I'm going to walk you through how to solve one of these. What we're given in this problem is the amount of height a person would fall. In this case, we're going to use the example height of 417 meters. We know our acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meters a second. We know the person starts from rest, so initial velocity is 0 meters per second. And we know that the terminal velocity of the human body falling from a certain height, when doing a belly flop, it's 120 miles per hour or 53.6 meters a second. For a dive, it's 165 miles an hour or 73.8 meters per second. We'll learn about these later. What we also need to know is that final velocity is initial velocity plus acceleration times time. Vf squared is Vi squared plus 2a times displacement delta x. And we know that time is equal to displacement over average velocity. Basically, what we're going to do is we're going to divide a problem into two segments, and I'm going to show you those right now. So you split the equation into two parts. One where you're going from rest to terminal velocity, and the second for where you're just going constantly at terminal velocity. Now, if you split these seconds up and you use the, subtract the distance from 417 meters, you get yourself a time total difference of 10.51 seconds while doing a flop and 9.41 seconds doing a dive. Furthermore, I went a step beyond and I said that 202 miles per hour is the theoretical maximum velocity a human body could go jumping off from that high, and that would take 9.22 seconds. Holy shit. Now, another thing, gravitational potential energy to kinetic energy, it says a lot about terminal velocity. If you're doing a flop, only a third of that potential energy ever gets converted to kinetic energy, but half of that gets converted when you're doing a dive. Now, you might be wondering to yourself, Schlatt, why exactly are you using 417 meters or 13,000 or 1,368 feet and you're doing a suicide problem? Now, why exactly are you doing that? I'm going to tell you exactly why. On September 11th, 2001,